two of all time. Microwave bologna dish. But let me tell you,
I have this shirt.
Bologna. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Shall I have a dip? The bologna bowl. Bologna balls. Bologna bowl.
Okay. When I went to have a drink with the other day, one of her server friends was talking to me and just unrolled my sleeve. Welcome to Drunk Cooking by Rotten Journal, the web series where we show you a simple cooking technique and how to best get drunk while doing it. Today, bologna bowls. First popularized by Matty Matheson, the bologna bowl is, you guessed it, a few slices of bologna in a bowl, put some cheese and egg on top, throw that bitch in the microwave for a few minutes. We are gonna put our own spin on it and make a fancy version. We are using fancier, in our opinion, product. This is Lebanon bologna. This specific brand is over 100 years old, still made in Lebanon County, Pennsylvania. It's even got a little Amish guy on the front there. This is an all beef product. It is fermented for several days. Then they smoke it over hardwood for several days. So this is tangy, really beefy, extremely fucking smoky, which is a big flavor component we had to take into account when we chose the wine. This is the cheapest caviar that we could find. For our wine, we've chosen a 2015 Frontonio Telescópico. This is 55% Garnacha Blanca, 45% Macabeo. Garnacha Blanca is often very opulent, very voluptuous. It's compared to Chardonnay. Macabeo, also called Viura, is one of the wines often used in cava production. In its youth, it can be very clean, very light, very fruit forward. But when you put a little age on it, especially when you blend it with a grape like Garnacha Blanca, it can be equally as kind of voluptuous. This is a really exciting new winery. It's three young guys who are trying to revitalize some of the old vine Garnacha vineyards in Spain. A lot of the vines they're working with are between 40 and 90 years old. We're hoping that the opulence will stand up to kind of the meatiness, but kind of the fresh white peach fruitiness that hopefully will be brought by the Macabeo will stand up to kind of the tanginess and tame the smokiness a little bit. I get almost like a honey, almost like a beeswax, and it's really green. Not like in a spicy kind of grassy way like a Sauvignon Blanc, but like a kind of green almond, like honeydew melon. Kind of like a kind of rich greenness, you know? Lime peel, pear skin, kind of a creaminess like a lemon curd. Slightly elevated acidity. It's not as full-bodied as I would have expected. So I think the acidity is gonna spar with that smokiness really well. I think it's got just enough body to stand up to the meatiness. I'm not 100% sure about that. I'd like it to be a little more opulent. Okay, we'll see. Every swipe of this is like 50 cents. There's a written recipe on the Munchies website that says 45 seconds and then 30 seconds if you need it. Matty says something like a gentle 3 minutes. So I don't know what to do.
You look very perplexed.
Yeah, I'm actually, because we got one shot at this.
I would say that a gentle 3 minutes means you change the power level.
50% power for 3 minutes. Okay. Fuck. Okay, let's try that. Whoop. That's where this thing was. I'm real happy that it's curling. I wonder if we can take it out of the bowl, you know what I mean, and put it on a serving plate dish. So while that's cooking, let's get our toast points. I forgot that toast was a part of this, so I don't have a fancy version of toast. The original was white toast. We have wheat toast, so that's kind of fancy, I guess. Toaster, Okay. Toaster's heated up. You always burn the. You have to burn the first round because that's French technique. There was this Facebook article I read recently all about it, and it was incredible. Oh fuck, dude! We burnt this batch too. No, dude, seriously, I'm not making any more fucking toast. Oh, I'm so mad. No. Oh.
That's how I like my toast. It's not even burnt.
It's burnt. This is fancy bread at this point because these 2 slices are the price of 6 slices. It's not done yet.
It's not done yet?
No. That ain't done. That's horseshit. I don't think it's that. I think we shouldn't have done 50% power. One, two, three. Oh, fuck my ass. Look at that. It's a bowl. It's an actual bowl. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna do a little dollop of creme fraiche from France. A little caviar, if you will. Oh, why not have a little more?
That is an intense flavor for a dish. Like, it is so smoky. The caviar is so salty. There's just a lot going on.
So a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give the pairing?
A 5.
Really?
Yeah.
What would be better?
Champagne.
Yeah, okay. I hear you.
Every element of this dish is just so overwhelming. And I feel like this wine, when I first drank it, it was like a punch in the face. It was unctuous, and just even the nose, it made it feel like it was going to be like a hefty wine. When you match it with this dish, it just tones it down. All of those flavors, those like green almonds, those chivy, herbaceous qualities are just taken down a notch in the wine. Honestly, I don't know what would go better besides champagne, because champagne goes with everything. This wine would be probably fucking out of this world with the Matty Matheson bologna bowl. So maybe we gotta do this all over again. What do you say?
Okay. It's not terrible. I think I'd give it maybe a 6.5 though. It doesn't stand up as nice as I want it to that meaty quality, but I think the acidity is really nice. And I think there's some like young freshness where the bologna with the caviar, it all feels very old and smoky, and there's a lot of like funk going on. This has a lot of like it's green. This is brown. Nice counterpoint, but it's just not strong enough. I think it tits out Chardonnay, one that's so overdone that it's not enjoyable to drink on its own. Unbearably California, over-oaked, huge amount of mallow would be really nice with this. Really the best way to eat this is make Matty's original version with fucking cheap grocery store bologna and a Budweiser. That would be my professional suggestion for a pairing. That would be the best. But this was fine, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish it because it was $12. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked that, please tickle that little like button and subscribe. If you've got ideas for what we should do next, drop them down in the comments. To Vice and Matty, we know we use a little of your content. We really appreciate the inspiration. Please don't sue us. We meant no disrespect, and we don't have any money. Because we spend it all on you, huh? You going?
Yes. Hot.
Welcome to... Fuck.